In today's episode, Expert Answers, Expert Advice, we will answer the question, why is the calibration of the measuring equipment not considered repair work but should be performed systematically? The checking and calibration is a process resulting from the normal and the correct usage of all the measuring instruments. The equipment is naturally influenced by external factors, which causes a change in the original settings and, as a consequence, give incorrect indications. The operation period of the equipment, after which a calibration will be required, depends mainly on the working conditions, how we take care of it, as well as during transport, and can last from several weeks to several months. Therefore, the calibration is not regarded as repair work, but a normal operation step of the equipment. Why is calibration so important, and why is it worth paying for this service? The incorrect indications of the measurement instruments expose the user to costly corrections and loss of trust on the part of the investor. During usage, it is necessary to systematically inspect and verify the correctness of the measurements. In case of any problems, the maintenance and calibration services must be used. Especially in the case of multiplane lasers, full calibration is required. Not only the horizontal and vertical line settings, but mostly all the positions of the planes in relation to each other should be done. It is a quite complicated and time-consuming process requiring specialized equipment, the Optimus Prime 3D collimator, as well as the experience and knowledge of our specialists. The 3D calibration service is included in our service offer. It is a paid service. However, bearing in mind the comfort of the Nivel system customers, our service department will perform the calibration within 3 months of the purchase of the new equipment free of charge and finding all the faulty measurements.